What is good, everyone? So today's video was going to be a video with respect to testing the big brake kit on the Pulsar. Can't do that because the Pulsar is completely down, unfortunately. So we've got a more jasper again for my foot. But basically, there's been this like weird battery thing going on. You can see I've got the battery on charge, but basically all I'm getting is like the weirdest power drain, the most peculiar power drain ever. So I thought it was just like decharged. So I've charged it up, I've tried it in the car again, it will start the car, but then if I leave it, it's gone. But the weird thing is, so this video is just trying to fix a battery basically, and troubleshoot electronics. So pretty boring. If you don't want to, just click off. But the weird, peculiar thing about this is a booster pack won't jump start the car. So it doesn't seem like a typical drain, if that makes any sense. Now again, this is completely charged now. This is a C-Tech charger. It decharges it, recharges it, makes it beautiful, makes it lovely, makes the battery all brand new again. So the game plan for today, ladies and gents, is basically try and troubleshoot this battery problem. And the way I'm going to do that, so I've charged the battery, I've got brand new terminals, because I know that the terminals on the battery are brand new, because I bought them, and it's like, well, it's barely been used. So I've got brand new car battery terminals, car side, and I've located 2 grounds in the engine bay. Now the reason why I think it might be the terminals is because I can't jump start it. So, bit of a troubleshooting day, basically, which I know isn't going to be for everyone. Even Jasper's a bit bummed out by it, but is what it is, needs to be done. If the sound quality and the video quality is better, it's because I bought a actual vlog camera now. So, anyway, let's try and get this done. So we're going to do this first, locate the grounds, clean them up, then chuck the battery back in, start the battery, start the car, and then we'll look out for the pulleys as well, because there might be some grease on the pulleys, but I don't think that's going to be the case. If this doesn't work, then I've got to buy a multimeter and try and look in the fuse box to see what's doing a power drain. So let's go to the car, clean up everything, and go from there. Right, here we have it, ladies and gents. The Pulsar, completely batteryless. But still, nice big brake kit that I still have not, unfortunately, tested. Very annoyingly. So, here we have our problem areas. So I've located 2 grounds. There's one just down in there, so we'll clean that one up. And then there's another one just there which we'll clean up, and then we'll swap over these terminals, because they're not bad, but they might be part of the problem as well. Right guys, done, for the most part anyway. So, way down in there, nice and clean-ish, as clean as I can get it for now anyway. And then I had a nightmare with these new terminals. I'm going to buy some other ones, because these aren't the best, right? Like, oh, we're going to focus. These are not the best. Apparently we're not focusing, but anyway. They're just screw. It'd be good if it was clamped, but never mind. Need to reuse one of the bolts from another one, because these are too thick for this, which also needs to be connected. But I've cleaned up every single connection, cleaned up this ground in here as well, and again done this one as well. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put the battery in, It will start, I know it will start, but it's whether it's going to stay like actually having a charge. So once that's done, because I know it doesn't charge basically, so once I put the battery in, I'm going to come over here and give us a look at this. I don't know if you can see that actually. Let me have a look at, yeah, that one way down there, our alternator. Just going to check whether that's working, because when we did the big brake kit, we could see that there was some crap being slung up, some grease. Now I'm thinking that it won't affect it too much. It shouldn't, not to the degree that it is, but I'm hoping this will fix it. If it does, great. If not, then we need to get the multimeter and start messing about with the fuse box, which I don't really want to do because I think it's going to be a pain in the ass. So let's go get the battery, plug it in, start it up, you get a nice cold start, and we'll go from there. Right, she's sort of on anyway. Let's give you guys its fashion. Let's give you a cold start. Oh, the lights are on. Maybe that's it. Is that it? Did I leave the lights on? Unless they're just on now. They should just be on. Oh, the light's on. What is going on? What is going on with this car? I think I figured it out. But I haven't figured it out, but I also have. The lights are on. The brake lights are on. Why are the brake lights on? What the fuck? What have I done? All I did was change the brakes and now the brake lights are on? That is what is causing the battery drain. The brake lights. That doesn't make sense. What? There is nothing here. I can't switch the brake lights on. Like, there's nothing that would have them on. Why are they on? This is so weird. I don't get it. That's so strange. Oh no. See, they're just on. Any ideas? Why are the brake lights on? I honestly have no idea. I'm so confused. This has just randomly done this. This does not make any sense. What the hell is going on? Right guys, I seriously need some help. If anyone knows. Oh, sounds good though, doesn't it? If anyone knows why my brake lights are just on. I've got to have done something with the... How would doing a big brake kit leave my brakes on? That doesn't make any sense. Does it? It makes sense to me. Oh, fuck. Oh, I went through so much hassle. Oh my god. Well, anyway, figured out what's wrong with the battery. The brake lights are always on. But why? Wow. What a crock of shit. if anyone knows, gosh, sounds good. If anyone knows why the brake lights are always on, please do let me know, because I'm very confused. I'm going to look at these belts anyway. They should be on. Oh, decap. These are running fine. They're fine. That's all fine down in there. That's all running fine. Why is the brake light on? Oh, I'm so confused. Oh, well, anyway, she's inside now. She's in the back. Still with lights on. Randomly. I honestly don't get it. I don't understand by what mechanism the lights are now always on. So annoying. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it plugged in. No, scratch that. I'm going to unplug it, and then I'll be able to plug it back in when I want to drive it, because it's going up to Horsham Developments at the end of this month, so I'll drive it there. I'll do the battery terminals again, but this is just fucking stupid. Any ideas, guys? I do a big brake kit on the front. Have I knocked something? Is there a sensor? I don't get it. That's all I've done. I do the big brake kit on the front. So do these on the front, and then all of a sudden that doesn't work. Why? It doesn't make sense. It literally doesn't make any goddamn sense at all. So anyway, if any ideas, let me know. Love to hear it. Any and all thoughts down below. Cheers, guys. Take care.